Hey there. I'm just making this video to say, you know, living in a van by yourself and traveling around, not having anywhere to go to work and see friends or anything. It's pretty lonely, but you get to have awesome moments like this right now. Watching the sunset. Those mountains over there is Canada. I'm in Washington. So there's some cool parts to it and some not cool parts, but I guess that's, you gotta take the mix of it and make the best of it. Now try.
Now try? Are we live?
We're live.
Howdy.
We're up here on Hurricane Hill. It's pretty awesome. There's still snow. We got little snow patches. A little lake down there. You could just see forever. I'm an influencer. What do you think?
Nice.
It's just your forehead.
Oh, great. Thanks.
Funny meeting you here. Oh, keep walking. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, work it. Yeah, girl. That's what I'm talking about. This is gonna be a really good video. You're gonna love it. Oh, it's so pretty in the video. Oh, I'll switch it sideways. Now we can do TikTok. Yeah, TikTok.
Actually,
Oh, you
I'm making
know
up
it.
those words.
Oh, I was like, you.
America.
Good Lord. Yeah. Okay. Wave at the camera. And then we look at the mountains. I'm a GoPro hero. You look great. The waves are fun. Look at those clouds back there. It's wavy. Woo! You lived!
I lived!
Come on, go do it. This is cool and scary. Allow me. It is. Yeah, it's pretty.
Dang, we have climbed.
There's the spit. I'm gonna go walk out. Hi. I'm here at Dungeness Spit in Washington, and it's windy, and the water's coming up. But it's so pretty. Look at that tree. Look, someone built an awesome little shack on the beach to protect from wind, I'm guessing. Nice stone deck here. And then we got some fancy, like, color wheel of rocks going on there. And then you got nice wood floor inside. And then your property value is probably pretty high because you're right here. Dang. Look at these mountains. They're huge, big, spiky, jagged mountains. And then we come over here and there's Mount Rainier. That is just massive. Keep going. Here's my van and beautiful green meadow on the other side. Good morning. I'm here in Mount Rainier National Park, and it's a bluebird day. Look, you can see the mountain through my top window here. Down here. It's gonna be pretty nice, I think. I'm gonna make some breakfast and head up there. A little update. Look at this pretty, like, tundra looking stuff. There's a lake down there. And over here is Mount Rainier. I'm gonna go up this mountain and get closer. All the white on that mountain is a glacier, which is pretty cool. Pretty neat. This is the top of First Burrow Mountain. They made a little stone dome. All the rocks fit just right. And it's a chair. So you can sit down and look at Mount Rainier. I made it to my goal. And check it out. There's Mount Rainier. Glacier here. I just saw a piece of the glacier break off up there and tumble down the mountain. And you could hear it and stuff. That was pretty awesome. Here's a view looking around. I think my last video was from down there. You could see a layer of smoke from the wildfires. I'm just above it. Pretty crazy spot. What's up? Having a little snack as I hike on this nice trail. Nobody's out here. It's crazy when you're out hiking like this. You're not thinking about all the wildfires or, you know, the coronavirus or how I don't have a job and I don't know where I want to live You don't really think about any of that when you get out and go see something awesome. Not to say you shouldn't think about that, but you don't think about it. Could be a nice break from the crazy world. Oh, check out this lake. Look at that freaking color. It looks crazy.
Did I bite your finger off?
We are up here. Not much of a trail.
Oh my god, there's a tooth mark. I'm so sorry. Just hide it, 'cause I'm burning up for you, baby. Burning up in the place tonight. Who the fuck is that? I don't know. Dude, this looks like being a stampede in the Lion King.
I don't think this is I'd go this way. There's like steps. Don't go down the slide. I don't think that's the way.
I'm coming.
Yeah, but he's a different breed.
He's different. But his little fingers. I think you should reverse it and just have it like a zoom in of his face.
Just outside of Mount Rainier National Park, I'm doing this hike where there's a, well, if I take you look up here, there's a little fire watchtower, but it's on a, I mean, it's a 600-foot straight down cliff right here. We're in the clouds right now, but I mean, we're really in the clouds. I'm kind of hoping that it just will like go away, because Mount Rainier is supposed to be over there somewhere, I think. But as you can see, it doesn't look like it's gonna go away. I hope this fog goes away. If not, it was a fun hike.